Hey everyone, how are you doing? Today, I'm excited to share an amazing plugin that will revolutionize your translation work on WordPress. But before we dive in, let's clarify something. We're talking about WordPress.com, not WordPress.org. The key difference is that WordPress.com is a fully hosted platform, meaning they handle hosting, security, and maintenance for you. On the other hand, WordPress.org requires you to find your own hosting provider and manage security and maintenance yourself. Additionally, WordPress.com has some limitations on customization and plugin usage, depending on the membership you purchase, while WordPress.org offers full customization and the ability to install plugins. Now, let's focus on the main topic. Today, I want to introduce you to Linguise, a powerful translation plugin that works seamlessly with WordPress.com. If you're looking to translate the open-source WordPress package, please follow the link I share on top of this video now. Linguise can instantly translate your website into over 80 languages. The magic behind this plugin is its integration with a SaaS platform, known as Software as a Service. This combination allows for automatic generation of high-quality translations, ensuring not just speed but also accuracy whenever you add new content to your page. One of the standout features of Linguise is its language switcher, which lets you easily toggle between languages on your page. But that's not all, it also offers a live editor that allows you to directly edit the translations. Imagine being able to tweak your website content right in front of your eyes. It's incredibly convenient. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about Linguise, from installation on your WordPress.com site, plugin configuration, exploring the dashboard settings, live editing your page's content, to translating your domain. The only requirement is that you have an account and a business, or above, active plan on WordPress.org. So, without further ado, let's jump right in and get started. Enough of the preview. Now, let me walk you through the process of creating a Linguise account and obtaining the API key, so you can install Linguise on your WordPress site. To begin, you'll need to access the Linguise website. I'll provide the link below in the description for your convenience. Once you're there, click on the button that will redirect you to the registration page. I should mention that Linguise offers a full-month trial without requiring a credit card, so you won't have to worry about canceling any subscription if the trial period expires. After registration, which is a straightforward process, I believe I don't need to guide you through it. You can either register using your Google or Microsoft account or create a dedicated account specifically for your website. For now, I'll be using one of my Google accounts for a quick demonstration. Once you've completed the registration, let's connect Linguise to your WordPress domain by following these steps. First, click on that Add Domain option on your Linguise dashboard. Then, retrieve your domain's URL, which in this case is your WordPress site, by copying the URL link and pasting it in the designated field. Next, choose the base language for your page, and you're all set. The final step is to copy the provided API key and return to your WordPress page. Navigate to the Linguise plugin in the left navigation bar. Paste the API key into the main settings and apply the registered API key. And just like that, you're ready to explore the amazing features of this plugin. So, essentially, a language switcher is a button that helps you switch the entire content of your page into other specified languages. Once you've installed Linguise on your WordPress, you can locate the language switcher features within the Linguise plugin. In order to make it easier to identify and switch between languages, the language switcher incorporates flags that represent each language. I have the flexibility to choose from 3 different display styles. The first option is the side-by-side display, which you can see in the plugin's preview on the right side. It shows all available languages in a row. However, personally, I find this display a bit cluttered, especially if there are many languages. Therefore, I can switch to either the drop-down or pop-up setting, where only the current language is visible. Now, let's see how this setting affects my page. I'll go to my page and click on the language setting to change it to another language. Not only will the display change accordingly, but, of course, the content of my page will also be automatically translated. Now let's see how to add a language switcher to all your WordPress pages. Once you install the plugin, the language switcher will automatically appear in the bottom right corner of every page. It's really convenient and allows you to switch between languages effortlessly. If you need more customization options, you can head over to the Help section in the Plugins navigation. There, you'll find all the details about how to integrate the language switcher into your website. For example, you can also include it on any specific page using a shortcode provided by Linguise. To find out how the shortcode works, simply check out the Help section of the plugin. Once you have the shortcode, it's super easy to use. Just copy it, go to the page or post where you want to add the language switcher, and paste the code. Save the changes, and then you can preview the modifications to see how it looks. The plugin also offers another advanced method for integration, using a PHP snippet that you can copy to your theme file. If you're into coding and want more control over the placement, you can explore this option in the Help menu as well. So there you have it. This plugin is a game changer when it comes to adding language switchers to your WordPress site. It's simple, flexible, and provides a seamless multilingual experience for your visitors. Give it a try, and I'm sure you'll love it. In the Linguise dashboard, you'll find two awesome tools, the Live Editor and the Online Translation tool. So, once you jump into the Live Editor, you'll be asked to choose the language you want to work on. For example, let's say I pick Vietnamese and hit the Translate button. That'll take me to the front end of the website. Now, in the top right corner, there's a handy switcher that lets you change the browser mode. There are 3 modes to choose from. First up is the Edition mode. It's super easy to use. Just click on any element you want to edit. When you hover the mouse over some text, a text box will appear, allowing you to edit the translation for that specific part. You can even modify things like hyperlink texts or buttons. If you just want to browse the website without making any translation changes, switch to Navigation mode. This mode lets you explore the site as you normally would. Last but not least, there's the Meta Edit mode. This one's really cool because it lets you edit meta information, such as page titles, meta descriptions, and even SEO-related stuff for social networks like Facebook. All you gotta do is click the code button to load all the meta information and start translating away. With the Live Editor, you get a super comprehensive and user-friendly interface for smoothly editing translations and managing meta info. It's a breeze. Now, let's dive into the Linguise dashboard and check out some super cool features it has to offer. One of the most important things in Linguise is the translation management feature. Normally, when you get an automatic translation, a translator is the one who takes care of editing it. But sometimes, you might want to make some specific changes, especially when you have recurring terms like a company name that appears on multiple pages. That's where the replacement rule comes in handy. In the translation management section, you can use text and language filters to make edits to specific parts of your content. Let me give you an example. Say I set the language filter to French and type in the word leader in the original text. Since my base language is English, any instances of the word leader in English will be listed below. And for each English word, there will be a corresponding French translation. So, when you edit a text in this management section, it's like telling the translator a rule. For instance, if I modify the translation for leader, the next time a similar word appears on my page, it'll be automatically translated based on the changes I made here. This translation management feature gives you a lot of control and flexibility. You can fine-tune and customize translations to perfectly suit your specific needs. How awesome is that? Linguise is an impressive plugin that offers automated content translation with remarkable accuracy. This powerful tool allows you to expand your website's reach by providing instant translations in over 80 languages. The process of adding a new language to your website is incredibly straightforward. With Linguise, all you need to do is click a few buttons. Within the Linguise plugin on your WordPress platform, you can easily add new languages. Simply select the desired language you wish to add, and save the settings. This change can be made at any time, providing you with the flexibility to adapt and cater to your audience without worrying about availability. With Linguise, the ability to offer your content in multiple languages becomes accessible and effortless, enabling you to attract and engage a broader range of visitors to your website. To wrap things up, let's take a look at the pricing for the plugin. In addition to all the plugin features we just covered, Linguise got all the tools you'll ever need to elevate your business online rank. The plugin also fully integrates with WordPress, WooCommerce, all CMS baked on PHP, and soon auto-hosted CMS like Shopify. Linguise is quite affordable regarding maintenance fees, with start package for just $15 per month. But if you want advanced usage, the $25 Pro package would cover it. And lastly, the large package for $45 with unlimited access and no restriction on translation volume. Every new domain has a free month of translation without credit card, so it's risk-free. The yearly memberships are even more affordable with the equivalent of one additional month for free. Thanks for watching this video. If you're watching this video from YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to our Linguise channel to stay informed about new plugin features and ask us any questions using the comments. And of course, you'll find all the useful links we've talked about in the description. Have a productive day, bye.